can now tell you that a pile of poo is very delicious. Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. And today we're in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're just off of Freemont Street at a place called Pinkbox Donuts. Now I'm here with my buddy Pinky. You'll notice Pinky is in the shape of poo. I hear that you can get a donut here in the shape of poo that you can actually eat. And that's what I'm going to go up here to find. Come on, let's go find it. If you've never been to Freemont Street in Las Vegas, it's quite an experience. You've got live bands playing, street performers. You've even got this great big giant, huge TV that covers the entire street all the way across. It's really cool to see. I have to have one of the poo-shaped donuts, the bunny poo donut. We're getting this a bunny poo-shaped donut. One thing about Pinkbox Donuts is that they have a huge variety of donuts. They have so many flavors to choose from. If you cannot find a flavor of donut at Pinkbox, then you don't like donuts. So what would be your most favorite donut here? Mr. Blueberry. Okay, so we're getting a recommendation of the Mr. Blueberry, so we're going with Mr. Blueberry, please. So while we were there tonight, we were recommended the Mr. Blueberry donut. All right, he said this was one of his favorites. Here we go, Mr. Blueberry donut. Blueberry cheesecake filled. It's like it's got cookies on top of it. I will say, Mr. Blueberry donut gets my vote. All right, guys, I now have a bag. And in this bag is a pile of poo. Now, this is the most cutely decorated pile of poo I've ever seen in my entire life. Check this out. I have a bunny rabbit pile of poo. Every single donut that we bought, that I tried, I would recommend to you guys, and I would go back and buy again. You can't say that about every donut shop because sometimes some of their donuts are just meh. But this donut shop, everyone was packed with flavor and was just yum, yum. I've never tasted a pile of poo before, but I bet this one's gonna be delicious. All right. Here we go. I'm just going to go for the top of it. While you're there, pick you up some merch. T-shirts, hats, coffee mugs, bibs, keychains, slides. Surely you can find you something. Oh my word. The chocolate on top is filled with chocolate cream in the middle. Oh, it's a chocolate donut down here. Hold on. I gotta check out the chocolate donut. Oh, it's a cake donut. Oh wow, that is really good. It's rich, and the two chocolates go together perfectly. The outside chocolate icing, and the inside. Okay, hold on. That ear is marshmallow. You saw me exit Pinkbox Donuts and come towards you with a bag with a poo donut in it. When we were filming that, it took forever to come out of that door because there were so many people coming in. This is such a popular place. It was almost impossible to film that little section of that video, but we finally got the shot just for you guys. Pinkbox Donuts, Las Vegas, Nevada. Make sure you find this place when you are here. It is the best pile of poo you'll ever have. All right, guys, until next time, we'll see ya.